This is a 2012 Nissan Juke SV. Sporty car, fun, perfect first vehicle for student. Perfect student vehicle. Navigation, moonroof, alloy wheels, tires are like new. Like all of our vehicles, this needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. This was a local trade-in for us. Perfect price range right now. I know vehicles are very expensive. This is in a great price range, especially if you're looking for your son or daughter. Moonroof, cloth seats in great condition, never smoked in. Navigation, push button start, 144,000 miles, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. In this price range, you're not going to find a cleaner vehicle. Very, very clean. So this is a 2012 Nissan Juke SV with navigation, moonroof, perfect student vehicle, needs absolutely nothing, in phenomenal condition.